Hey everyone! Welcome back to Smart Gadget Reviews, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest tech for your home. Today, we're diving into the 10 best smart security cameras that can keep your home safe and give you peace of mind. From ultra-clear 4K cameras to intelligent AI-powered systems, we've got something for every home setup. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other details. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Whether you're looking for indoor security or outdoor monitoring, stick around because we're covering the cameras that truly stand out in performance, features, and reliability. Camcamp 4K Home Security System. The Camcamp 4K Home Security System is perfect if you want crystal clear video and complete home coverage. With its 4K Ultra HD resolution, every detail is captured with stunning clarity. It comes with multiple cameras that support night vision, so you can monitor your home even in total darkness. The system features motion detection alerts that notify your phone instantly, keeping you updated no matter where you are. Setup is straightforward, making it beginner-friendly, yet it's powerful enough for advanced users. You can access live feeds remotely via the app, and the cameras support two-way audio so you can communicate directly with anyone on your property. The storage options are flexible, including both cloud and local storage, ensuring you never miss a moment. For anyone serious about home safety, this system blends high-quality performance, smart features, and ease of use seamlessly. It's a complete security solution for any home environment. 2K Solar Wi-Fi Security Camera. The 2K Solar Wi-Fi Security Camera is designed for outdoor monitoring with a focus on convenience and eco-friendliness. Its solar-powered feature ensures continuous operation without worrying about frequent charging. With 2K resolution, it delivers sharp and clear images, and the night vision ensures visibility even in low-light conditions. The camera supports AI motion detection, reducing false alerts and sending notifications directly to your smartphone. Installation is simple thanks to its wireless design, and the Wi-Fi connectivity allows remote access to live feeds from anywhere. Two-way audio enables real-time communication, perfect for greeting visitors or warning intruders. Its weather-resistant construction makes it durable against rain, snow, or extreme temperatures. This camera is ideal for anyone who wants reliable, maintenance-free outdoor security without sacrificing video quality or smart features. 2K Solar PanTilt Security Camera. The 2K Solar PanTilt Security Camera brings flexibility and wide coverage to your outdoor security setup. With pan and tilt functionality, it can cover a large area without needing multiple cameras. Its solar-powered design provides energy efficiency and uninterrupted monitoring. 2K resolution ensures crisp video, while night vision keeps your property visible even in complete darkness. AI-powered motion detection alerts you to unusual activity, and the camera can distinguish between humans, pets, and objects, reducing unnecessary notifications. It's easy to install and connects seamlessly to your smartphone via Wi-Fi for remote monitoring. Two-way audio allows you to interact with visitors or deter intruders instantly. Built for durability, this camera withstands harsh weather conditions. If you want smart, wide-area coverage with minimal maintenance, this PanTilt camera is a reliable, high-tech solution for home security. Hiseeu 4K Smart Security Kit. The Hiseeu 4K Smart Security Kit is an all-in-one system that's perfect for comprehensive home monitoring. Equipped with 4K cameras, it provides ultra-clear footage both day and night. The kit includes multiple cameras to cover every corner of your property, and the night vision feature ensures visibility even in complete darkness. Motion detection triggers instant alerts to your phone, keeping you aware of any unusual activity. The setup process is simple, making it beginner-friendly, while the system is advanced enough for tech-savvy users who want customizable settings. You can store recordings on local storage or in the cloud, ensuring your footage is always accessible. The two-way audio function allows you to communicate remotely, adding an extra layer of security. Overall, this kit offers robust features, easy installation, and reliable monitoring for a complete home protection solution. 4K Dual Lens Security Camera.
The 4K dual-lens security camera delivers exceptional coverage and crystal-clear video quality. Its dual-lens design captures two angles simultaneously, reducing blind spots around your home. With 4K Ultra HD resolution, you'll see fine details clearly, whether it's day or night. The camera is equipped with smart motion detection, sending alerts directly to your smartphone whenever it detects unusual activity. Installation is easy, and the camera supports remote access, so you can monitor your property from anywhere. Two-way audio allows real-time communication with anyone near the camera. Designed to withstand harsh weather, it's suitable for outdoor use and guarantees durability. This camera is ideal for homeowners who want high-resolution surveillance, flexible monitoring angles, and intelligent features, all in a single powerful security device.
Joan 3MP Wireless Security Camera. The Joan 3MP Wireless Security Camera is a versatile option for indoor or outdoor monitoring. With 3MP resolution, it provides clear video and reliable night vision, keeping your property secure 24/7. The wireless setup makes installation fast and hassle-free, and it connects easily to your Wi-Fi for remote access via your smartphone. Motion detection technology sends instant alerts when activity is detected, helping you stay informed in real time. The camera supports two-way audio, letting you communicate with visitors or warn intruders remotely. Its weather-resistant design ensures reliable performance outdoors, even in challenging conditions. Ideal for anyone seeking a budget-friendly yet effective home security solution, this camera balances quality, ease of use, and smart features. Whether you want indoor coverage or outdoor monitoring, it delivers consistent, trustworthy performance. Hiseeu 5G PanTilt Security System. The Hiseeu 5G PanTilt security system offers advanced monitoring with high-speed connectivity. Using 5G technology, it provides low-latency live streaming for real-time surveillance. Its PanTilt functionality allows the camera to rotate and cover a wide area, minimizing blind spots. Equipped with high-resolution cameras, it ensures clear video during day and night. AI motion detection sends smart alerts directly to your phone, and the system can differentiate between humans and objects to reduce false alarms. Remote access through your smartphone app makes monitoring effortless, while two-way audio enables instant communication. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, it's weather-resistant and built for durability. Perfect for anyone looking for a high-tech, responsive security system with flexible coverage and advanced connectivity, this Hiseeu system offers both reliability and convenience for modern home protection. 2K AI Smart Security Camera. The 2K AI Smart Security Camera combines intelligent monitoring with excellent video quality. Its 2K resolution ensures sharp and detailed images, while AI-powered motion detection helps reduce false alerts. The camera can distinguish between humans, animals, and objects, sending notifications only when necessary. Night vision provides clear footage even in low-light conditions. Installation is straightforward, and Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to monitor your property from anywhere via the mobile app. Two-way audio adds a layer of interactivity, letting you communicate directly with visitors or deter intruders. Its compact and durable design is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, ensuring reliable security in any setting. For anyone seeking a smart, efficient, and easy-to-use security camera, this model delivers dependable performance, intelligent features, and hassle-free home monitoring. VIMTAG 2.5K Smart Security Cameras. VIMTAG 2.5K Smart Security Cameras offer high-resolution surveillance with exceptional clarity. Their 2.5K resolution provides sharp images, while night vision ensures round-the-clock monitoring. Smart motion detection alerts you immediately when unusual activity occurs, minimizing false alarms. Installation is user-friendly, and the wireless design allows you to place cameras anywhere without hassle. Remote access through the app gives you real-time monitoring, while two-way audio enables direct communication with visitors or intruders. The cameras are weather-resistant, making them suitable for outdoor installation, yet stylish enough to use indoors. Ideal for homeowners seeking advanced security without complicated setup, these cameras deliver consistent performance, clear video, and smart features that keep your property safe and monitored at all times. A reliable, high-quality choice for comprehensive home protection.
Arlo 2K Wireless Security Cameras.
Arlo 2K wireless security cameras combine convenience, quality, and intelligence in one system. With 2K resolution, these cameras capture clear and crisp footage both day and night. The wireless design makes installation simple and flexible, while Wi-Fi connectivity ensures remote monitoring from your smartphone. Motion detection alerts you instantly to any activity, and AI features help reduce false alarms. Two-way audio lets you communicate directly with anyone on your property, providing extra security. Weather-resistant construction guarantees durability outdoors, and the system supports multiple storage options for peace of mind. Perfect for anyone looking for a reliable, smart, and easy-to-use security solution, Arlo cameras deliver performance, versatility, and safety in a compact and modern design, making them an excellent choice for both indoor and outdoor home protection.
That wraps up our countdown of the 10 best smart security cameras. Each one we covered brings something unique to the table, from ultra-high resolution cameras to AI-powered motion detection and flexible monitoring options. Whether you're securing a small apartment or a large property, these cameras make keeping an eye on your home easier than ever. Don't forget to check the links in the description to see the latest prices and detailed specs. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Smart Gadget Reviews, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our future tech reviews. Stay safe and smart.